Yes, so big up Spice representing dancehall and Jamaica at the B.E.T Award. There was also another dancehall artist present at the B.E.T Award last night. The Dapper himself, the one and only Dexter Daps. So Spice and Dexter Daps were two dancehall artists that I know of that went to the B.E.T Award. We don't know of nobody else so far. So big up to Spice and Dexter Daps for representing for dancehall at such a prestigious award show. It's a good look. But people don't know anything go already. You don't know say nothing gonna go without any kind of criticism, any kind of backlash, any kind of... That's the nature of it. That's always set up as Jamaican. So people, everybody and their mama attack Spice about her outfit. You see what I say? No, let me rephrase that, because you have some people that defend Spice outfit. You have one and few that defend Spice outfit. Alright? But the majority, the mass, them attack her outfit. Them attack the color. Them attack the style. So I'm find some comments and I'm going to show you what some of them people are saying. One person write, a green lizard and what's going on with her front. Another say, I love Spice, but this screams cheap and tacky. Her stylist needs to be fired. There is a person that is defending Spice outfit, and they said, black complexion goes beautiful with any color, no matter how vibrant or cool it is. She stood out very well. Lovely representation. Dancehall is about standing out extra. Let's talk about Spice and this color and we'll get in some of the other comments later. I've seen at least 3 occasions where Spice wear this color or something similar to it, very close. And I've also seen other people wear this color. This color seems to be a very popular color amongst females. And it seems to be one of Spice's favorite color. And I say one of because I would think that blue is Spice's favorite color. You see me, I say she always wear the blue here and she always wear blue, I guess. But this time she come out in a green, even the hair green on this occasion, right? Now let's get into some of the other comments. Now this person said they like Spice outfit, but they have another problem. And this person wrote, B.E.T made a post of her on their page and too much makeup was all over the front of her wig. This was not her best hairstyle. On a good note, I loved her green outfit and the head covering. Now if I know one thing is another. So this person I said them like the outfit, but the makeup was a problem. You see what I mean I say? So let's see some of the other comments then. This person says, I guess the outfit got the effect she wanted, to be noticed and talked about and never be forgotten. The general consensus of the commenters is she is a green lizard who need a new stylist. Yup, she got the internet going again. One thing people, when you think Spice wear that outfit there because she want to get a reaction from the internet, or she want to be talk about, or she just genuinely pick her outfit and feel like she look good and feel like she has step out upon them and still feel like she slay, regardless of what people are saying. One thing, get in the comment box and tell me. Now here's a comment when I feel like somebody just give themselves problem, like them just want to be mischievous. But them say, I know a long time she doesn't know how to dress, but I'm afraid I don't know. The angel can dress better than her. Well, me no know still, you know. One thing people, get in the comment section, tell me. Here's another comment that is defending Spice and is making the same point about Spice doing this for a reaction. And it says, Spice is dressing to get a reaction from the masses, which she has gotten, just like Sia, Lady Gaga, Michael Jackson, Boy George and others have done. Everything she does is calculated, just like her song that had everyone believing she had really changed her color. Brilliant, strategic move. Great job, Spice. Now go and represent. Well, if we don't know nothing, we know that Spice is used to these kind of things. This is not the first, second, or third time that they are attacking her about anything at all. You see what I say? If not on a daily, it's very, very often. You see what I say? She will clap back when she want to. Sometimes she just ignore it. But it's just another case. She will pass this. You see me, I said, this is just 9-day talk. But for right now, I want to know what you think. What you think about the whole thing? What you think about what people are saying? What you think about Spice going to the B.E.T Award and Dexter Daps representing for Jamaica and dancehall? So just leave a comment and tell me what you want to feel. Other than that, if you have a like and follow this page, please like and follow this page for daily updates. Thank you.